bought myself a new mouse. The keyboard still works perfectly fine, just a little cruddy, and all I need to do is to clean it and it'll be like new. Here is my old one and my new one, fresh in its fresh box. It's the same model. This is what the old one looks like. Again, excuse the crud. This is over years of use, and I was in process of cleaning up my my desk area, so I hadn't got time to just clean the mouse. But this mouse has been through hell and back. I've got it years ago, and you can program the sides of it. I ended up getting a short in it, so I decided to treat myself and get myself the Scimitar RGB Elite MOBA MMO gaming mouse from Corsair. It is also IQ or Corsair interface compatible, and I love to use this mouse with all my shooter games and even my non-shooter games when I'm gaming on PC, because you can just easily get to your commands on your mouse rather than on your keyboard, so it makes playing really simple. Well, back to the unboxing. I pulled it straight out the box, and it's coming with a few different things. So included on the box, it kind of tells you that, you know, it has 17 programmable buttons. They have a patented 12-button repositionable key slider, so if it's not comfortable for you in that position, you can actually move it. It has an 18,000 DPI optical sensor, 50 million click rated Omron switches, and a durable scroll wheel and flexible braided cable. Warranty guide as well as the actual user manual, but because I had a prior model of this mouse, I pretty much know how it works. I hope I don't break this before I actually get to use it real good, you know? Gotta be gentle with your stuff. I did notice that the USB on this mouse was a little bit different than the other one. It looks like it has more support when it comes to the actual mouse part, which I had a short closer to the side where the mouse actually is versus on the USB anyway, but still. So here's a new one. It's all shiny and new and not cruddy. And here's the underside. Like I said, it's built very similarly to the old one. It's not much different. And here's that braided cable. One thing I do like about this mouse is that it comes with Velcro, which you can Velcro your mouse right on up. Very tight and secure. Don't have to worry about running wires everywhere, even though I don't care. I'm not one of those people who police about wires and stuff. You gotta do what's comfortable for you. There's the mouse. They also gave me a dongle. Now this is used to help slide the keys back and forth. I didn't feel the need to use that since the position that the keys are in already is comfortable enough for me at the moment. If that changes in the future, I'll be sure to use this dongle. And so I'm bringing back my keyboard to kind of feel where I can plug in the mouse, which I think it's really cool that you can plug in locally here instead of having to run the wire to the PC. It just makes it one less USB you have to worry about, and it plugs in just fine. Now when it starts up, it cycles through all of the RGB colors, which I thought was pretty cool. Just reaffirms that the colors actually work. And all I have to do now is basically program the mouse. Normally when you get new peripherals, you have to update your drivers. In this instance, my software, so the IQ Corsair software, needed to be updated. So I restarted that and ran the software updates that were required to use the mouse. After that, I made sure to save my profiles, especially for my Apex Legends keybinds. I wanted to make sure that I had those so when I pop back in, it would be a smooth transition, which I ended up doing. And I have yet to play extensively with it, but when I do, I know I'm going to be so excited. Like I said, my previous mouse was disconnecting on me because I had a short in it. With these mice, what's cool is you can program not only regular buttons, you can also do stuff with the core buttons if you needed to. I don't do all of that, but I'm just clicking through some of the settings that you'll see in the IQ software. If you want to see what they look like more in depth, just let me know. And yeah, what's also cool about having products in the same family hub is my headphones, keyboard, and mouse can all have the same lights going at the same time, so they look really cool cohesively together. I'll be posting in another video about me organizing my desk, so stay tuned to see that next. By the time you're watching this, maybe it's up already. I don't know. Who knows? All right. See ya.